This brush actually belongs to Samuel. Hello amigos, we have another part of my YouTube channel. Guys, it's been a while I actually posted hair tutorial video. So on today's video we'll be making the Bantu knot. I've seen numerous YouTube videos about Bantu knot and most of them used the Japanese fiber, that's the attachment. And yeah, I did something crazy to my hair yesterday. So for this video we'll be using the Brazilian wool because most of the videos I saw they used attachment or they used the natural hair if it was long enough. So our hair is not long enough, so we'll be adding Brazilian wool to the hair to achieve this. Have to deal with the noise from the generator actually. So for this video we'll need Brazilian wool, and I think one Brazilian wool will be enough to achieve this. It depends on how full you want your hair to be, but for this we're using one Brazilian wool. So you'd need your eco styling gel, your hair wax for edge, and your edge brush. This brush actually belongs to Samuel. And hair moisturizer, colored ribbons if you want, then the combs for different stuff. Like these combs are really funny. Then your hair cream, scrunchies for holding the hair when we part it. So let's begin. We're wanting our hair into two, and it totally depends on the amount of knots we plan on making. I think I'm going for 12 or 15. So we'll divide into two and each two into three, but we'll start with one side. Now we're dividing this part into six places. Yep. Divided this, so we'll tie this up and work on this side. So, we're working on this side of the hair. Just work the rows and columns like spreadsheet. So I'll be dividing this row into 3 columns. Then I would show you guys how to do it. This is the first we're actually going to work on. We need a hair moisturizer to make it softer, and after that we'll apply hair cream. Depends on the hair cream you actually use. I don't use so much. My shape butter finished, that's why I'm using so much. So apply hair cream to make things easy. So now we'll comb our hair. To twisting this one, we're going to twist throughout 12 of them. I don't know if you should divide and twist or you go one after the other. I'm really confused, so I think we'll divide and twist.
If you see my killer, she go show you pepper. I want you go make way for the young girl. You know my time don't come. I'ma be stacking my phones. I'ma be flexing my mom. I want you go make way for the young girl. You know my time don't come.
Where we need the Brazilian wool, so we'll take good amount of Brazilian wool. So you guys know how to do the thread like stuff, because that's basically what we're going to be doing here. I think we should start from the back or the front. B before F. So one side has to be longer because we're going to wrap, so the side we're using to wrap around should be longer than the actual length of the hair. Let's start with this, like this. This stuff is really painful, because like
nobody when I been start, nobody know me. Nobody want to pick my calling, but now see the small boy is falling. I want to give you the glory. I love it for my phone, now be smiling.
I know anything related to doing something like this, you know how painful it is. Like it's really painful. Personally, I love Brazilian wool, but this particular method is really painful. I made something like this, I think November, and I could not sleep for a while, and I think the hair stopped paining me after 3 days, like after 3 days of constant headache. So something like this is actually really achieved. We're going to do this all around, then we'll fold when we're done. Now know what though, we have to start folding them. Like folding them. Stuff's not actually neat, so we fold through out carefully.
Okay for shopping. I'm in a race now, I'm running. Girl, I'm loving this shit's not funny. Yeah. I let them put me check, only this your body, if you do me check. You don't get anybody, will go be my fair.
Now it's time for this part of the hair. We try to make it look neater than this part. So we're done. Now we're going to do our edge. Use color ribbons to coat everything, I guess. Then we change up and go for our picture. My forehead. Head is one thing Jesus Christ. Edge is one thing I'm not good at. Okay, so let's try. If it doesn't turn out well, God knows we tried our best. Okay. These fancy ribbons were given to me by Patricia. So if you're interested, I'll drop the link to her online shop in the description box so you can get them. Look, they're actually really nice. We're using them to coat our 12 nuts. I feel like these ribbons are making me look childish. And I'm grown up, but I love childish. I mean, why so serious? It's just life. To be over before you even realize. Change of plans. We're not using these color ribbons. Like, nah. This is the final look. I'm going to take pictures, and we've successfully made it to the end of this video with the horrible generator sound, which is quite okay. So this is affordable Bantu knots for short hair, like really short hair like mine. Yep. And let me give you the warranty for this hair. I don't think it will last up to 2 days. I'll take my off tomorrow when I come back from school, so I'll take the hair tomorrow. Yeah, so that's all, guys. Just like, subscribe, share, comment. Comment. And thank you for the 100 subscribers. So we're going to grow this community together. I promise to bring more really nice videos, although I have plans on cutting my hair, so I'm done taking the pictures. I'm about to go home. Bye.